Hey there, welcome to week 174 of my renovation on Iris Street. My name's Adam, and this week is a cold, snowy week in Colorado that I mainly spend in my wood shop working on my crosscut sleds. Without further ado, let's check it out. On Saturday, I bought a ticket to watch Marin Alsop conduct Beethoven 9 performed by our local Colorado Symphony Orchestra. Marin is a conductor laureate of the CSO and is the first female conductor to ever lead a major symphony. Ever since watching a documentary about her called The Conductor, randomly on a flight a couple years back, I've been wanting to watch her conduct, and wow, Beethoven's Ninth Symphony with a full chorus did not disappoint. On Sunday, I continue working on my crosscut table saw sleds. Here, I'm trimming the fences now that the glue is set up. I'll be making two sleds, one for 90-degree crosscuts and one for 45-degree miters. With the lumber milled, I slide two rails into the table saw guides. A few dots of glue are applied to temporarily affix the rails to the sleds. I apply some painter's tape to protect my saw from any accidental glue spillover. Paint cans add some pressure while the glue dries. Back in the kitchen, I'm making sourdough bread today, and these loaves turned out pretty nice. With the sled glue dry, I can affix things more securely with screws. The back fence doesn't need to be very square, so I attach it with screws. Next, I plunge a cut into the sled. Using a framing square, I perform the first alignment of the precision fence to the blade. After this step, the fence will be fine-tuned with calipers and a method called the four-cut calibration. On Tuesday, it's cold and snowy outside, but inside, it's nice and warm. Before closing out the week, I returned to my shop to start gluing the 45-degree miter sled using the same process as demonstrated on the 90-degree sled. That's a wrap for week 174. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.